fireworks. Watching the fireworks, as y'all can see. I'm zooming in so y'all can see them, just in case y'all aren't gonna watch them. Y'all can see them from here. As y'all can see, the fireworks are popping. As y'all can see, we are driving so y'all can see the fireworks. Just in case y'all ain't gonna watch them, I got them right here. So y'all can watch them later maybe. But as y'all can see, the fireworks are about to start popping. I don't know where they are. B, are they in like different locations? Are they all right here? Okay. Well, B, I can't see. So guys, as y'all can see, we are watching the fireworks. As you can see, the fireworks are here. As y'all can see. As y'all can see, I am watching the fireworks. So if y'all aren't planning on watching the fireworks, y'all can just see it from here. As you can see, there are a lot of fireworks.
There they are.
Yup, right there. And as you can see, they are very colorful. They're mostly right here for now. They started at 10 o'clock and it's barely 10 o'clock. So all of them are barely popping, as y'all can see. I'll move to the front so y'all can see. There's a lot of people, so y'all guys cannot see very well. But y'all can see a little bit. This is to the people who aren't planning on watching them. Y'all can watch it from here. I should have gone live, but that's on my computer, so I can't really go live for y'all. But I'll go live tomorrow. As you can see, I'll get y'all close up. Right there, that's where they are. Just in case y'all are not planning on watching them, y'all could probably watch them somewhere else. But I'm just giving y'all a few clips and a few things. And also, if this video stops recording, it's probably because my storage is pretty stupid. But that's the fireworks, just in case y'all weren't planning on watching them. But I'm pretty sure you can watch them on TV. Is that possible? Like watching them on TV? I don't know, but I'm just giving y'all a close up. I'm pretty sure it's possible to see them on TV, but I'm just giving y'all a few looks. So you guys can see. Oh, okay. Oops. Of course, y'all saw my other video of me popping the fireworks. And then we had our 4th of July special. And then we had my park videos, and then my video with my cousin that I did called the No Hands Challenge. And then that one video where my little nephew tried to attack me. As you can see, there's a close-up on the fireworks. This isn't very good quality, but I'm just giving y'all a close-up look at the fireworks just in case y'all weren't planning on watching them. Very colorful. So y'all can see there's mostly them right there. As y'all can see, they're about to pop. They're about to pop. I wish I could get closer. Also, I'll be going to my aunt's house this weekend, which means that I'll be posting a lot more than today. Happy 4th of July, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed all my 4th of July videos that I made today. I should have gone live, but this is basically just like a short thing. This is going on YouTube, so YouTube. That's how I say it now. Because who is he or she? I don't know. My favorite singer, Triple X, says it like that. YouTube. YouTube. And that's also how my friend says it, and I like saying it that way. So, y'all, that's just a close-up. I'm trying to get closer, but I can't. Not really. Ta-da! I wish they had one that said Triple X in honor of Triple X. In part by Triple X. Or whatever the frick that means. Ta-da! There they are. I wish I had one that said Triple X. That'd be a dream come true. Oh, thank God it was getting cold in here. And you'll get a little closer so I can see. I wish I would have gone live. I might go live tomorrow for my first live stream. Y'all could see my first live stream tomorrow. Yeah, I'm going to go live stream tomorrow because it doesn't activate until 24 hours. So, yeah. Oh, they're doing, look. It looks like they put XXX. It literally looked like they put XXX. I'm glad. Because if you know who I'm talking about, then okay. Just look up XXX and you'll find it. So, I don't see anything. There the fireworks. I don't see any more fireworks, but there they are. There they are. Also, I'm be jamming to Triple X after this. Maybe even Old Town Road. Because I'm into that stuff now. I used to hate it, but it's not that bad. Actually, it's amazing. Here, let me zoom in all the way. There we go. Oh my gosh, y'all see that? Y'all see that? That was cool. Brickety, brick. Also, y'all, if my camera stops recording, then it's probably because of my storage being full. Let's see what's on hip hop. What channel is hip hop or station? I mean, I would, but it doesn't really match with the fireworks. There's so much fireworks, and people are like coming through to go watch the fireworks. Close up. I think B went to sleep. Oh, no, she's up. She's good. There's 2 red eyes. Okay. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. Oh my gosh, you don't get your kids. Like, for real, I hate it when people do that. They act like their kids are completely innocent angels. I would go outside.